Cauliflower has come a long way from being the overlooked vegetable sitting next to broccoli on dinner plates, as it has become one of the most versatile and nutritious foods you can eat thanks to its mild flavor, impressive nutrient profile, and ability to fit into countless recipes ranging from soups and salads to pizza crusts and rice substitutes. Despite being naturally low in calories, cauliflower is packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds that support everything from your immune system to your heart, making it an easy yet powerful addition to a healthy diet. Number 1. Strengthens your immune system. Cauliflower is an excellent source of vitamin C, a nutrient that helps produce and support white blood cells while protecting healthy cells from harmful free radicals, allowing your immune system to respond more effectively to illnesses and infections. Regularly including cauliflower in your meals can also promote faster wound healing, healthier skin, and greater resilience during cold and flu season because vitamin C plays a role in many essential processes throughout the body. Although it may not replace citrus fruits in popularity, cauliflower quietly delivers an impressive immune-boosting punch with every serving. Number 2. Improves digestive health. One of cauliflower's greatest nutritional strengths is its fiber content, which helps keep food moving smoothly through the digestive tract while reducing constipation and supporting regular bowel movements. The fiber also acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria, encouraging a healthier microbiome that can improve nutrient absorption, strengthen immunity, and even influence mood through the close connection between the gut and brain. Combined with its high water content, cauliflower supports digestion in a gentle, natural way that benefits your body every day. Number 3. May help lower cancer risk. Cauliflower belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, meaning it contains powerful compounds called glucosinolates that are converted into substances such as sulforaphane when the vegetable is chopped, chewed, or lightly cooked. Scientists have spent years studying these compounds because they appear to help protect cells from DNA damage, reduce oxidative stress, and assist the body's natural detoxification processes that remove potentially harmful substances. While no food can completely prevent cancer, diets rich in cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower have consistently been associated with a lower risk of several types of cancer. Number 4. Supports heart health. Your heart benefits from cauliflower in several different ways because its fiber may help lower LDL, or bad, cholesterol, while its potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels within the body. At the same time, antioxidants found in cauliflower help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to cardiovascular disease and damaged blood vessels. By supporting healthy circulation and reducing strain on the heart, cauliflower becomes a valuable food for long-term cardiovascular wellness. Number 5. Helps you maintain a healthy weight. Because cauliflower is low in calories but rich in fiber and water, it helps you feel full for longer without adding unnecessary calories to your meals, making it an excellent choice for anyone trying to manage their weight. Its versatility allows it to replace higher-calorie foods such as white rice, mashed potatoes, or pizza crust while still providing satisfying texture and valuable nutrients that keep meals enjoyable rather than restrictive. Instead of feeling like a diet food, cauliflower offers a practical way to eat larger portions while naturally reducing calorie intake. Number 6. Boosts brain function. Cauliflower contains choline, an essential nutrient that many people don't consume enough of despite its important role in producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, learning, mood, and muscle control. Alongside choline, the vegetable provides antioxidants that help protect brain cells from oxidative damage that may contribute to cognitive decline as people age. Making cauliflower a regular part of your meals can therefore support healthy brain function today while also contributing to long-term cognitive health. Number 7. Promotes stronger bones. Although calcium often receives most of the attention when discussing bone health, your bones also depend on nutrients such as vitamin C and vitamin K, both of which are found in cauliflower and contribute to collagen production, bone mineralization, and proper calcium regulation. These nutrients work together to support stronger bones while helping maintain the structural framework that keeps your skeleton healthy throughout life. Adding cauliflower alongside other calcium-rich foods creates a more complete nutritional approach to protecting bone strength. Number 8. Helps reduce chronic inflammation. While inflammation is a natural response that helps the body fight infections and heal injuries, Long-term inflammation has been linked to conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and certain cancers, making anti-inflammatory foods especially valuable. Cauliflower contains vitamin C, flavonoids, beta-carotene, and sulforaphane, all of which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation throughout the body by protecting cells from damage. Eating cauliflower regularly as part of a balanced diet can therefore contribute to healthier tissues and lower levels of chronic inflammation over time. Number 9. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Thanks to its low carbohydrate content and high fiber levels, cauliflower slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping prevent the sharp blood sugar spikes and crashes that often follow meals high in refined carbohydrates. Replacing foods like white rice or certain processed side dishes with cauliflower-based alternatives can improve blood sugar control while increasing your intake of essential nutrients. This makes cauliflower a smart choice for people with diabetes, prediabetes, or anyone looking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Number 10. Encourages healthy aging. Healthy aging depends on protecting your body's cells from long-term damage, and cauliflower contributes by supplying antioxidants that fight oxidative stress while providing nutrients that support the immune system, heart, brain, skin, digestive tract, and bones all at once. Vitamin C promotes collagen production to keep skin healthier, fiber supports digestive wellness, and anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce some of the wear and tear associated with growing older. Rather than acting as a miracle food, cauliflower works by nourishing multiple body systems simultaneously, making it one of the simplest vegetables you can eat to support long-term health and overall quality of life. Cauliflower may look ordinary on the outside, but its impressive combination of nutrients, antioxidants, fiber, and protective plant compounds makes it one of the healthiest vegetables available, offering benefits that extend far beyond its reputation as a simple side dish. Whether you roast it until golden, blend it into soups, mash it as a potato substitute, stir it into curries, or enjoy it fresh in salads, adding cauliflower to your meals more often is an easy and delicious way to invest in your health for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.